How to change one page to landscape on Google Docs. Hey everybody, in this quick tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily change one page to landscape on Google Docs. First thing you have to do is click on the web browser that you want to use and go to apps. And here you'll see a list of Google apps. Now just go to Docs, and once you open up Google Docs, you should be able to create a blank document or just open the document where you want to change the page to landscape. I'm just going to create a blank document from here, and let me just paste a text here on the page. I'm going to go to next page and paste the same text. All right, so here I've got both of the pages on portrait mode. So if you just want to turn one page into landscape, let's say if I want the second page to be on landscape mode, what I'm going to do here is now just go ahead and select all of the content on the second page. And once you've done that, just right click on it. And here you have the change page to landscape option. Click on it, and it would automatically change your page to landscape mode. You might get a blank page in the middle, but as you can see here, the second page has been turned into landscape. Now you can just go ahead and delete the blank page. Just keep pressing backspace. Now the page has been deleted and I only have two pages here. So that's how you basically turn one page into landscape mode on Google Docs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.